Hi friends, Dr. Joe here. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to this video. Traders, let me ask you this question. Have you ever felt like this that you know everything about trading, but at the end of the month or end of the year, the numbers do not reflect on your P&L? It's always showing negative. Have you ever felt this? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'm going to discuss why most traders fail despite having a lot of knowledge about trading, and how one good trade can change your mindset to make you a successful trader. Now, if you are a trader, you've been losing even after finalizing a strategy, then hopping strategies to make sure that you get into a better strategy. You put in a lot of indicators so that you don't miss any trade. You keep watching a lot of YouTube to find some magical strategy to start becoming a successful trader. If that is the case, then let me tell you, this video is a very, very good video that will change your mindset and it will help you how to become a successful trader. Most of the traders lose because they hop strategies. They are not able to focus on one strategy. And because they keep hopping strategies, they do not understand all the details about that strategy. Again, they lose, again, they hop strategy. Because that consistency and focus is not there, they keep losing. Traders also try to complicate their entire chart. Instead of just having one trend indicator, they will have multiple indicators because they feel if they have a lot of indicators on their chart, they will not miss out on any opportunity. But that is not true either. And the last is lack of focus. Because they are not able to focus on one financial instrument, because they are not able to focus on one time frame, always scattered focus will never help you become a successful trader. The truth is, there are a lot of successful traders out there, but they are not successful because they complicate their strategy. They are successful because they have a simple trading strategy. They follow their discipline, they follow their risk management, and they just keep doing that one thing over and over again. And that one trade makes them successful. Then another one trade, then another one trade, then another one trade. That's it. One trade at a time. And that's what makes a successful trader. This brings me to the point that there is a wonderful book called as One Good Trade, written by Mike Belfoyle. It's a wonderful book. Now, this book does not promise you that it is going to give you a magical strategy. It is going to give you something more valuable than a magical strategy. It gives you a way to think, a way to act, and way to grow as a trader. Now, before I speak about the book, I just want to give you a background about Mike. Mike started his journey as a trader. He lost trades, he blew up accounts, and he learned from it. And today, Mike is a co-founder and a managing partner in SMB Capital. This is one of the biggest prop firms in New York. Not only that, he continuously trains retail traders and prop traders and teaches them how to have a mindset to become a profitable trader. Now, one good book which Mike has written is not just a trading book. It makes you rethink about the way you are trading. It teaches you that profit is not everything. It teaches you strategy is important. And following every single step of your strategy is important with complete discipline. First, make sure you set up your strategy. Second, you enter only as per your setup. Third, you fix your stop loss, that is your risk management. Fourth, you put your take profit. Only after all these things is already thought about, you enter into your trade. If it goes in a profit, great. If it goes in a loss, great. Follow the strategy, not the profit. He says it's okay to take losses as long as you follow your discipline of the strategy and risk management. The book speaks about a specific trader, Nick, who used to come early, draw his trend lines, wait for the setup to happen, and enter only one trade in a day. Now, whether the trade goes in a profit or a loss, he would not enter a second trade. And the magical thing was, he eventually went to become one of the elite traders at SMB Capital. Yes, just one good trade in a day. Second, he also speaks about an overconfident trader who was very knowledgeable and very, very overconfident. And in one particular trade, he decided not to take a stop loss. And that one decision of indiscipline costed him the entire account. So you see how discipline can make you a successful trader, and overconfidence and not following the discipline of risk management can blow out your account. Traders, if you really want to be successful, you have to shift your mindset from I want to be right to I want to do this right. Yes, what is more important is to do it right, not to get it right. The difference is the discipline, the strategy, and the risk management. Mike also speaks about the difference between a trader and the investor. The investor has a luxury of time. The investor can wait for drawdowns. The investor can hope for the stock price to bounce back. That luxury is not with a trader. So if you have decided to become a trader, you have to stop thinking like an investor and start thinking like a trader. Every trade should be as per the strategy. You cannot think like an investor if you want to become a trader. So as a trader, you have to be focused on your strategy, your setup, and take only one trade. A good trader never takes 10 trades in a day. A good trader focuses, plans, and take one or maybe maximum two trades. No more trading for that day the minute you breach your maximum stop loss limit for the day. You just leave your trading desk and finish trading for that day. You will find a better day tomorrow. Mike also goes to say that the real enemy is within you. As a trader, you have to learn to fight your mindset because a trader's mindset has to be unique, has to be different. It cannot be like a common person. So you have to be able to conquer yourself and your mindset to trade like a disciplined trader. So traders, I hope that all the points that I have discussed in this video and the points that Mike have told in the book, One Good Trade, coincides with each other. And if you follow these basic rules of trading, it will surely help you become a successful trader. To become a successful trader, you don't have to be the best. All you have to do is be better than what you were yesterday. That's it. Nothing more than that. All you need to do is survive in the market and keep practicing. Because with practice, patience, and persistence, and with discipline and risk management, nothing in this world is going to stop you from becoming a successful trader. Well, that's all in this video, traders. Hopefully, you will understand that one good strategy, discipline, and risk management will take you a long way in becoming a very, very successful trader. So, friends, if you love the way I'm creating these videos, please like and share these videos so that, like you, there might be many others who want to understand trading, investing, and the right mindset needed for it. These videos will surely help them become a better trader and a better investor. And friends, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and smash that bell icon. Because every time I see a new subscriber, it motivates me to create more such videos, to do more research, so that I can bring new content for you and for everybody else. That's all in this video, but before I sign out, I want to tell this one thing which I keep repeating. Keep learning, keep growing, keep getting better every single day. Thank you very much. Namaskar.